dreamed of making money from home. Let's dive into 5 amazing apps perfect for you in Nepal in 2025. Number 1. Fiverr, a hub for freelancers. Whether you design, write, or code, your skills can shine and earn you that cash. Imagine earning by showcasing your talent. It's flexible, it's fun, and you set the price. Sounds awesome, right? Next up is Upwork, perfect for those seeking long-term gigs. You can bid on projects matching your skills. Upwork provides endless opportunities. Build your profile and watch your career take off. You'll love this gig economy. Have a passion for teaching? Check out Preply. Connect with eager learners and teach anything from math to languages. Transform your knowledge into income. With Preply, you can set your schedule and earn while making an impact. If you're crafty, Etsy is your go-to app. Sell handmade goods and reach buyers who appreciate your creativity. Show off your unique products. With Etsy, creativity pays, and you'll be surprised how far your craft can go. Last but not least, TaskRabbit offers services in your area, anything from cleaning to handyman tasks. Want to earn extra cash? Connect with locals who need help, earn quickly, and enjoy flexible working hours. So whether you're a freelancer, a teacher, or a crafty genius, there's an app just for you in 2025. Ready to level up your income? Each app opens doors to endless possibilities, making remote work enjoyable. Imagine the flexibility. Work in your PJs, earn from anywhere, and enjoy life more. Who wouldn't want that? Join a community of like-minded individuals. Share tips, support each other, and thrive together. Let's do this. Technology is your ally. Embrace these apps, turn your skills into cash, and innovate your work-from-home journey. Which app will you try first? Comment below, and let's start building the freelance empire together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on working from home and earning your income. Happy hustling! Your journey to earning money from home begins now. Dive into these apps and see where they take you. Start today, embrace the change, and watch your efforts pay off. See you in the next video.